Hello. Hello. In this video, we'll see alphabet J. Let's read here on the right. This is Ja, J, J, Jo, J, Ju, G, Ja, J, J, Jo. Perfect. So let's write it together. So in the previous video, we saw the way we write de, do, di, da, de, di, do. Okay. So in this video, we're gonna see of how we can change de to J, do to Ju, D to G, da to Ja, de to J, D to G, and do to Jo. Okay, that's very simple. I'll show you. So what you do is, for de, for example, just add this, add this, this one, straight line, small one, and horizontal line like this one. That's it. This is how we write J, Ju, G, Ja, J, G, Ja. Okay, so just add in this. Okay, let me try to write it quickly here. J, Ju, G, Ja, J, J, okay, J, and finally this is Ja. Okay, so this one is okay. Let me. Okay, I'm trying to replace this. Okay, so this is J, Ju, G, Ja, J, J, and finally we have Jo. Okay guys, this is J, Ju, G, Ja, J, G, Jo. I will come with other contents in the upcoming videos. Bye.